Hi, Brian with Jones and To Go, and here with yet another RV review. This time we're going to be looking at Keystone's Arcadia line, and brand new for 2023 model years. They have now moved into the half-ton towables. So if you've been looking at the Arcadia and thought that that was a little too heavy for you, we'll take another look, because now they've got floor plans in the fifth wheel line that are half-ton towable. Okay, let's take a look at the first new floor plan for the half-ton towables for Arcadia, which is the 332SLRL. This particular one is equipped with 200 watts of solar on the roof. Again, all Keystone products come with at least 200 watts of solar. That started in 2022. In 2021, Keystone introduced the Arcadia line, and people have just been raving about it. So let's go inside and we'll show you why. Okay, already first look, you've got that real clean, crisp look of the white cabinets and the lighter fascia on some of your slide outs and other cabinets. You can see the furniture is a lot different than your traditional RV. You get a rear couch in this one, as well as the theater seats, and in the entertainment center. That looks like about a 32-inch TV, maybe a little bit bigger. With a Furrion sound system, as well as a fireplace. And you've got storage behind here, and that is on gas struts. So once you lift that up, you got plenty of storage for whatever kind of entertainment stuff that you want to put in there, whether it be a DVD player or just all your DVDs. And then once you put that down, it just kind of snaps into place. Gas struts on the upper cabinets as well, so that they hold up in place and not coming down and bonking you in the head. Nice roomy pantry. Over here in the kitchen, you get a nice Furrion stove and oven. Stove with a glass top, so you can utilize the counter space as well as the microwave. Some deep cabinets on the top, as well as a drawer and a cabinet on below. Really nice sink covers where you can, one's vented so you can dry things on the top. It's kind of feels like a plastic or composite, really stiff and rigid. So nice 50/50 stainless steel sinks with your sprayers. Pretty much standard on most fifth wheels now is this type of setup. So you get a Furrion 12-volt refrigerator. And as I stated in one of my previous videos, I think maybe on the High Country line, if you're out shopping for a new RV, guys, be sure and really ask a lot of questions about refrigerators, because the refrigerator industry for RVs is really changing, and it's changing fast right now. So also, if I didn't mention at the beginning of the video, be sure and stick around to the end. I'll list all the specifications for these rigs at the end, as the brochures aren't out yet, because these are just rolling off the line. So I'll have all those ready for you by the time these videos air. So watch for that at the end, all the specifications as far as lengths, weights, tank sizes, and things like that. So let's take a look at that. Two really big, deep drawers. You could put pots and pans, anything you want in there. You've got storage underneath the booth, or the dinette, as most people call them. That obviously folds down into sleeping arrangements as well. And we'll just kind of give you guys a look at the bedrooms and bathrooms. There's really not a whole lot to talk about there, pretty much standard stuff. Okay, up front you have a slide-out wardrobe, which really opens up your bedroom with plenty of storage without impeding into your walk-around bed. And you also have drawers at the bottom of that as well. Deep drawers too. Nice nightstands beside the bed. Nice dragonfly or something in here with us. So you have USB chargers and an inverted outlet. Again, solar inverters. All going hand in hand. So if you're boondocking, you do have an outlet next to the bed for charging phones and whatnot. And again, these are on struts to hold the doors up, so you've got plenty of storage up there for, you know, some of your smaller clothing items. So let's take a quick look outside, see what kind of storage is out there, and we'll move on to the next half-ton towable floor plan from Arcadia. Up front, nice pass-through storage. 30-pound LP cylinders, and I believe there's one on each side. Here's a nice little feature. If you've got a pet and you're looking for some place to chain them up, they come with a nice little hook to put your pet chain on. Second LP bottle on this side. You also have the port for your ZAMP solar panels. If you want to add some 100-watt solar panels, you can certainly do that. Nice separate wet bay. I like the way they did that. So you've got your outside shower, all of your pull levers for all of your tanks, as well as your key TV connections up there. And also, if you can get, I can get Tina to come up there. All your controllers for your auto leveling system are right up in here and out of the weather as well. So easy to get to and out of the weather. So that was nice planning on their part. So you have an auto leveling system on this fifth wheel. One big thing for Keystone for the 2023 model year is on-demand hot water, and this is equipped with on-demand hot water. So if you've got kids or your wife just likes to take a hot shower, a long hot shower, or you, no worries, endless hot water. So that's another nice change that Keystone's making this year. Nice storage compartment in the back with some pegboard. It's kind of plastic pegboard. You can put pegs and hang things up. That makes it nice and convenient. As all Keystone products, they're prepped for backup cameras. And this one is also equipped with a trailer hitch. So if you want to put your bike rack on there, or maybe if you're towing a small boat, if you guys are towing a small boat or something like that, or a trailer behind your RV, send me a message down in the comments and let me know how you're getting away with that in some states that don't allow it. Or I'd like to talk to you and see how that goes for you guys if you're towing something behind your fifth wheel. Okay, that's it for out storage on this unit. And guys, if you're thinking about getting into RVing or just getting a new RV and getting out there and do it, stop thinking about it, just go. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next review.